Hi everyone, this is Irene from Soiler Candles. Today I'm going to show you how I create a therapeutic soy candle, and all I'm doing is I'm using an unscented candle, and as you can see I've let it form a little melted wax pool. I'm going to turn the candle off. And I'm going to stand the wick back up. My son is home from school today, and he has asthma and a cough. So what I'm doing with the candle is I'm going to be adding some essential oils that will help him to breathe better. I'm going to be adding spearmint, eucalyptus, peppermint, and lavender. I'm only going to put a few drops of each oil. So there's the 3 drops of spearmint. I'm going to put 3 drops of eucalyptus. And the reason why I turned off the candle is because the essential oils are very volatile and they can catch on fire. So you turn the candle off, add your essential oils. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm putting 4 drops of peppermint, and you just don't want to put too much because the candle can be really strong. You don't want to make it too strong. Oh, here's some lavender. I'm going to put 5 lavender. So altogether, this is about, I think I have here around 15 drops total. I'm going to get my wick dipper and I'm going to stir, just mix those essential oils around. And you want to blend it in with your wax. And the reason is you don't want to light that candle and have an explosion. The essential oils will catch on fire. So make sure you stir them deeply into the wax. This is about 1 ounce of melted wax with 15 drops. Okay, I'm going to just center my wick, get that back in the center. And now I'm going to light it. And we will now have a nice candle and breathe in those healing aromas, all the healing therapeutic benefits that come from essential oils. And the fact that this is 100% soy, it burns clean, it does not affect our asthma in any way. And so that's all I wanted to show you. And if this helps you, please leave a comment, subscribe, or share. Thank you very much. Have a great day. Bye-bye.